Yes. This is good.
(3:28 a.m.)
And then, like I said, if your car was true all-wheel drive, yeah, like this one, it goes out of four-wheel drive. So this one, I can haul it down the road. But if it was all-time all-wheel drive,
Right.
I dropped them little tires down, and then there's those little bars right there.
Yeah, yeah.
Slide those underneath the tires, picks the whole thing up like a flatbed. So this truck, yeah.
Damn.
And then, like I said, I added those lights on there. They're freaking 10 inches off.
So that axle, 5,500. Oh, damn.
Watch this. Goes good.
Yeah, yeah. Sheesh.
Yeah.
Rev it up. You have a smoke tune?
A little bit.
All right. Dang, boy.
This one, dude.
It's the baddest tow truck in the area for sure.
I've got one just like it. It's yellow and blue. Got the same tune on it. But this one doesn't smoke.
Right.
The other one just rolls fun like an exclamation. But this one will outrun the other one, and the other one's half the size of this. We don't like our guys using chains just because you're pulling down on a suspension, and when it's bouncing around, it can tear out those slots. And the easiest thing is, while we have these, I'll show you these. This is the old school way of hooking up, but it's effective.
Right, right.
Because when you're chaining it down on a flatbed, you grab right here, it's not touching anything, pulls against it, and it chains down, but your suspensions can still jump around and have no problem. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
I use these just because it's like, well, you need a mask to store policy. I said, no, ma'am, actually by the city of New Braunfels, it's actually either wear a mask or
Right.
keep your
Social
6 foot
distance.
distance. She's like, well, our policy is you have to have a mask. She's like, where's your mask? I was
Bro,
like,
they
oh,
get so
funny
mad.
story. I left it at your mom's house. And I turned around because I knew she was about to kick me out. Yeah, just like
Your
they're
body's
gonna
just
have to
gonna be a
operate you.
cancel
Yeah, they're gonna be like, okay, so we're gonna use you as a test guy.
Goodness gracious.
The guys that tried to drive us home from the square. Or moonshine. Moonshine. Please.
Y'all drink moonshine?
You're trying to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
But well, I guess let's go meet your dad, Colton.
Yeah, we gotta.
You gonna be all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, be careful. All right, man. The cops are out, dude.
Colton, right?
No, that's Colton. I'm Donald.
Donald.
Yeah.
Donald.
It's okay. We all make mistakes.
We all made mistakes.
Just get home safe, man. Don't let me come pick you up.
Yeah.
Block off plates. You can get to everything on there.
That's so awesome. Is it stock turbo?